Today we're looking at a 72 Chevy truck chassis from Art Morrison. It's the new GT Sport. This is actually the first one we get to put under a vehicle. Pretty awesome piece. This one's going to be what we call a body swap. So we have a customer that has a 3/4 ton pickup truck, Chevrolet, long bed. Nothing really special, but we're going to utilize the cab, the front end on this chassis. And we bought a new bed, short bed for it. So in turn, what he's going to end up with is going from a camper truck to a really badass street rod. And we'll be showing later on how to build the floor in the truck that has to be raised up 6 inches to accommodate the kick in the frame rail. The customer came in today, was super excited about this thing. Wheels and tires look incredible on it, and it's just going to be an amazing transformation. Chassis swaps simply cost half of what they normally would cost to do the entire truck. And honestly, they're a lot more enjoyable because we're not talking about brand new paint and just super fine things. This is going to be something you go out and just pound on and have a good time. So really excited to see it go together, and the customer is certainly wanting it back as soon as he can.